Hello everyone and welcome back to Next Wolf Tech. I'm Wolf and I'm bringing you your scheduled tech news. Well, it's not scheduled, but here's some tech news. And boy, do we have a lot of tech news to cover today. Ah, so let's get into it. I won't stay too long on each topic, so I will be posting the source for all the topics covered in the video's description. So if you like the video, please like, subscribe, and share. Now let's get into it. Starting off, AMD's Navi 21 Big Navi GPU rumored to be in featured 16 GB and 12 GB Radeon RX gaming graphics cards. Yes, uh, Resident Leaker RO Game from Twitter has posted some information about these upcoming GPUs, and these are the code names for them. You can see it starts with Navi 21 XTX, Navi 21 XT, Navi 21 XL, and Navi 21 XE. Yeah, as you can see from the tweet, you can see how it is laid out, so you can easily follow the performance you can expect either under air and water conditions. But it's good to know that they're taking their time to step away from the 8 GB limitation for these high-end graphics cards, and to future-proof for 8K and those high-resolution gaming. Okay, next, Intel. Intel is partnering with the Avengers to release a line of KA processors. Yeah, so they are basically the regular K series processors, but they're putting it in a fancy box that really doesn't look good. Looks like it made out of Legos or something like that. Well, if it is, that's a feat for the person who made it, but I don't know how this is gonna make them sell more CPUs. Maybe with Marvel fans. Well, if you like it, you can pick it up when it comes out September 4th, or announces September 4th. Next, Logitech says it is doing everything it can to thwart the webcam shortages. Yes, because of the recent pandemic, or the current pandemic, uh, with more people working from home, doing school from home, yeah, there's been an increase in demand for webcams, and so the supply hasn't been able to keep up with the demand. That shows increase in prices, and even in the new and the used markets, prices are being hiked very high. So Logitech is saying that they're ramping up production to see if they can alleviate the price gouging and make sure that persons who need webcams can get them. Okay, next, OWC. OWC releases Rover Wheels kit for Apple Mac Pro for $199, and that is very good. You know why that is very good? Because Apple released its wheels for $699. Now, tell me which price is better. Well, it's obviously 199, but you can see that this is a more no-brainer type of purchase. If you need wheels for your Mac Pro, go with the cheaper one. It doesn't Wheels don't need to be that expensive. So there you go. Next, Google Google is done with the Pixel 4 and Pixel 4 XL. Both devices are disappeared from the Google stores. Oh, yes. Google is finished with these phones probably because they didn't sell very well. Mostly because of the humongous forehead bezel that it had. In order to accommodate the Project Soli sensors that they touted, a new type of radar and interfacing with their phone, but it wasn't very finalized. And when reviewers got their hands on it, they were testing it, and they did not find it as they found it as a cheap gimmick. Well, probably an expensive gimmick on a flagship phone that costs about $1,000 US or more. But that's that. Google is getting rid of it. Didn't sell well, and they're probably going to scrap it for their next phone, the Pixel 5 and 5 XL. So probably we'll see it come back when they finally improved on it and made it so that it doesn't look so unappealing to the eyes when they reintroduce it with more functionality. Okay, then next, Microsoft reportedly considers buying all of TikTok. Yes, TikTok has been put on the chopping block for the United States. They are reportedly trying to ban most of the Chinese apps. They mostly, I've heard that they ban TikTok and WeChat. Yes, you can check those. But yes, Microsoft is planning to buy all of TikTok. So to save it from the bans, and because the main premise of the bans, the US doesn't want US information ending up in the hands of the Chinese government. So they're Microsoft is trying to save that by planning to buy TikTok, and not just the United States version, all of it, even the Chinese version. Okay. Next, bad news for Horizon Zero Dawn fans. Persons who have been looking forward to play this game on PC with greater graphics, and who didn't have a PlayStation and just wanted to enjoy it on PC are greeted to a lot of disappointment, as Horizon Zero Dawn is a terrible PC port. Well, I'm not sure if they will fix it down the line, but so far it is, and it's pretty bad. On the recommended settings to get 60 FPS at original graphics, that's the graphics it had on the PS4, you're getting at maximum of 40 FPS on an RTX 2080 Ti. Now that's absurd. And the GTX 1060 is being beaten by the RX 580 in this game. So right now I don't even know what to say. So you can check a video by Global Foundries. They did a deep dive into the problem that the game is exhibiting. But hopefully Guerrilla Games, they say they fix this in a future patch. Yes, and yeah, they already issued the day one patch, so all the testing was done on a more recent version of the game. So bad news. Next, Nvidia rumored to be releasing a 24 GB version, a 20 GB version, and a 10 GB version of their upcoming ampere cards. The 3080 Ti, 3080. Well, this is a rumor. As enticing as it may seem, you can always take it with a grain of salt. I'm just putting in these rumors at the end of it. They sound interesting, but we will have to wait until September when these cards are projected to be launched to get more information. See if these rumors were actually true. And more Nvidia rumors. Yes, the GeForce RTX 30 series is rumored to be announced on September 9th. Another rumor. Yes. And another rumor, but this time not from Nvidia. AMD is alleged to be working on Navi 41, and we haven't even gotten Navi 21 yet. A new rumor has surfaced from a respected leaker, Komachi. According to his information, AMD could already be working on yet another Navi product codenamed Navi 41. Komachi's sources are usually reflected in actual evidence. He tends to look into files no one would dare to look in. So whenever he found, most have left a trace. Okay guys, that is it. A bit of rumor and speculation at the end of the video, but it's news, and I would like to let you guys know the news and what you could expect to get, what a little bit of skepticism you must have when taking in the information from these rumors, because at the end of the day, final product might not have these features. So guys, that's it for the video. You can like, subscribe, share, comment, go to the about page of my YouTube and follow my Twitter, and leave a comment if I haven't said that already. So thanks guys, peace out.